I gave myself 24 hours to make money using only AI. No skills, no experience. And I started with $0. If AI really is as powerful as people say, then I should be able to make at least some money in one day, right? So I set a challenge. For the next 24 hours, I would test different AI side hustles to see what actually works for a complete beginner. No shortcuts, no audience, no paid ads, just AI, internet, and time. And what happened honestly surprised me. I decided to test 4 different methods: AI content creation, AI freelancing, AI affiliate marketing, and AI automation. The goal was simple: try everything and see which one actually makes money. So I started with the most popular one, AI content creation. The idea is everywhere right now. People are making short videos using AI tools, posting them online, and earning money through views, affiliate links, or digital products. It sounds easy, almost too easy. So I opened a few AI tools and started generating content. First, I used AI to come up with video ideas. Then I generated scripts in seconds. After that, I created voiceovers using AI. And finally, I turned everything into short videos. Within a couple of hours, I had multiple videos ready. It felt fast, almost unreal. So I started posting. One video, then another, then another. At first, nothing happened. 0 views, 0 engagement. But I kept going. After a few hours, I started seeing some movement. A few views here and there. Nothing crazy. I waited longer. Checked again. Still nothing meaningful. And that's when reality hit. Content creation doesn't make money instantly. It takes time, consistency, and sometimes luck. After spending several hours on this method, I made $0. Not a single cent. So while AI made the process faster, it didn't guarantee results. That was lesson number 1. AI can help you create, but it doesn't replace patience. At this point, I had already used a big chunk of my 24 hours. So I moved to the second method, AI freelancing. This one felt more direct. Instead of waiting for views, I would offer services that people are already paying for. Things like logo design, social media posts, and simple content. The twist? I would use AI to do all the work. So I generated a few sample designs using AI tools. Clean, simple, and surprisingly good. Then I listed them on freelance platforms. I wrote a basic description, added my samples, and hit publish. And then I waited. This part felt slower. No instant feedback. No immediate results. Just waiting. Hours passed. Still nothing. Then finally, I got a notification. My first order. It wasn't big. Just $5. But it was real. Someone actually paid for something I created using AI. That moment changed everything. Because now I had proof. This works. I completed the order using AI in minutes, delivered it, and got paid. $5 won't change your life. But the concept is powerful. If I can do it once, I can do it again. Still, there was a problem. This method takes time to scale. You need more clients, better offers, and consistency. So while it works, it's not fast money. That was lesson number 2. AI freelancing is real, but it's not instant. Now I was running out of time. So I moved to the third method. And this is where things started to get interesting. AI affiliate marketing. The idea is simple. You promote a product and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. No need to create your own product. No need to handle customers. Just traffic and content. So I found a product to promote. Then I used AI to create content around it. Short videos, simple posts, and engaging hooks. Everything was done quickly using AI. Then I started posting. At first, nothing happened. Just like before. But this time felt different. because the content was directly tied to a product. It had a purpose. I kept posting, kept testing, and then something happened. I checked my account and saw my first earnings. It wasn't huge, but it was real money. More than the freelancing method. And it happened faster. That's when it clicked. This works because you're combining attention with monetization. You're not just creating content. You're creating content that leads somewhere. And that changes everything. I spent the next few hours doubling down on this method, creating more content, testing different angles, and slowly, the results started improving. This was by far the best method so far, but I still had one more to test. AI automation. This one is often hyped as passive income. Build it once and let it run. So I tried setting up a simple system, something that could generate content or leads automatically. But here's the truth. Automation takes time, more than 24 hours. You need to build systems, test them, and optimize. And within the time I had, it didn't make any money. Zero. That was lesson number 3. Automation is powerful, but it's not instant. After 24 hours, I finally stopped and looked at the results. AI content creation made $0. AI freelancing made $5. AI affiliate marketing made the most money. And AI automation made 0. So what's the conclusion? AI is powerful, but it's not magic. It won't make you rich overnight. What it does is give you leverage. It helps you move faster, create more, test more. But you still need strategy. If I had to start again, I would focus only on affiliate marketing because it gave the fastest results and the most potential. But here's the most important part. Most people won't even try this. They'll watch videos like this and do nothing. But the people who actually take action, they're the ones who win. So if you're serious about making money with AI, start simple. Pick one method and go all in. Because the opportunity is real. And it's just getting started. If you want to see the exact system I used to make money with AI, check out the next video. It breaks everything down step by step and shows you how to get started from zero. Start now. Because 24 hours from today, you could be in a completely different position.